Hi there. In this video tutorial, we will see how to send many personalized messages to your contacts, automatically using Fiyole. To do so, click on Message First Contacts on Fiyole menu box. If you are not in LinkedIn search page, Fiyole will prompt you to navigate there. Once you are in LinkedIn search page, filter out the contacts to whom you want to send the messages. For example, contacts based on location, connections or companies. Now click on the Message First Contacts again. Select the number of profiles you want the message to be sent. Select a predefined message or type in a new message. You could also use short codes and signature in your message. In another video we will show you how to add and save messages in Signature. After filling in all data, click the Send button. Now, Fiyole will send out personalized message to all the selected contacts. As you see, Fiyole is sending out messages one by one to all the selected contacts.